my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous new year. May this new year brings a lot of joy, happiness and all your dreams and wishes comes true. Today I have created this soft rose gold makeup look for the festival of Lohri, and if you guys would like to know how we can achieve this look, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. Let's start with applying some lip balm. Next I am going to spray my MAC Prep+Prime fixing spray. This will hydrate my skin and also prep at the same time. Next I am using Glamglow Glowstarter illuminating moisturizer, and this will give me a nice glow to my skin. To blur out my pores, I am using e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer, and this I will concentrate mainly around my cheeks and on the T-zone area. To conceal any kind of imperfections in my skin, I'm going to use this Milani concealer. This matches with my skin tone perfectly, so I will not have to go with the extra layer of color corrector, and I will blend it out with my fingers. For my foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay full coverage foundation, and I am in the shade Honey 330, I guess. Every detail of the products I will mention it in the description, so please have a look. Next, for the highlighting concealer, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible, and this is in the shade 317, and I will concentrate on the T-zone and under my eye area, and then I will blend it out with the same sponge. But for my under eye area, I will use a concealer brush so that it gets into every nooks and corner of my eyes. For my cream contour, I'm going to use Beautiful Bronze from e.l.f, and I will contour the hollows of my cheeks, the forehead, the jawline and the sides of my nose, and then I will blend it out with the same sponge. Also, a small tip to the beginners: when using this concealer, always try to work in batches. That will give you time to blend out the product and make your base look flawless, because if you apply this all at one glow, it becomes very difficult once it dries up. With the same L'Oreal concealer, I will apply it below my cheekbones, and this will give me a nice chiseled look. Also, this is called as reverse contour. To set the highlighted areas in place, I'm using Rimmel Transparent Loose Powder, and I will apply it wherever I have applied the cream concealer, so that my concealer stays on for long and it does not crease throughout the day. Also, I will apply it under my cheekbones where I have applied the concealer, and I will immediately dust it off with a powder brush. Time to groom our eyebrows, and now I am using Faces Ultime Brow Pencil, and as usual we are going to carve out our brows and fill it in with the same pencil, and to distribute the products evenly, I will brush it out with the same spoolie that comes with the pencil. For our today's eye look, I am going to use Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. From that, taking that nude shade, and this will be my first transition, and I am building up the shade little by little. With that mauvey brown shade, we are going to build our crease area. So I am placing this shade on my crease line, and we will build up the shade little by little, flicking it little outwards, and also placing it on my outer corner to give some depth to my hooded eyes. Then taking this pink shade, and we will place it on our outer corner first and drag it to our crease area. This will further deepen our crease line. Then with this deeper pink shade, I will place it on my outer corner and drag it to my crease line. This will further intensify my outer corner. Further, to add some depth, I am taking that black from Eye Magic palette and I will focus it on my outer corner and blend it out with a blending brush. For my lid shade, I am going to use this Colourpop liquid eyeshadow as a base, and then I will blend it out with my finger. Next, taking this rose gold shade from the same palette and I will place it over that liquid eyeshadow. Then I will soften the harsh edges with a clean blending brush. It's time for some eyeliner and we are using Essence liquid ink in the shade black. This is affordable jet black matte eyeliner and it gets the job done so easily. Lining my top and bottom waterline with Nykaa kajal, taking those two pink shade and I will smoke out my lower lash line. Then taking that nude shade and I will further smoke out those pink shade. Curling my eyelashes and using Too Faced Damn Girl mascara to coat my top and bottom lash line, and this gives a nice volume and length to my lashes. Then I will use Wet n Wild Precious Petal to highlight my inner tear duct and brow bone area. To give some nice flush of pinkiness and rosiness to my cheeks, I am going to use Savannah blush palette and will blush the apples of my cheeks, the tip of my nose, some of it on my forehead and my chin. To give some dimension to our face, I am going to use Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this I will be applying it very lightly. I don't want heavy bronze look today, and I will place it on my forehead, the hollows of my cheeks, the jawline and the sides of my nose. To highlight the highest points of our face, I am going to use Precious Petals from Wet n Wild and place it on my cheekbones, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead, basically wherever the light hits our face. To set the makeup in place, using MAC Prep+Prime setting spray, and this will help to melt down all the powder products and lock the makeup in place. Lining my lips with Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cherry Brown, and then to achieve my desired lip color, I have used two lip combos from Faces Canada in the shade Natural Cocoa and Magnetic. And here is the completed look.